Hey guys, this is me, JakeTheFox, and welcome back to another video. And tonight, I'm going to show you guys how to hook up an Xbox One to your TV. Now guys, I have a flat screen TV. Can I actually have this Xbox One hooked up on that TV before, guys? But then something happened with the Xbox One, and I just put it back in the box. And I was like, I'm going to take it back out of the box. I'm gonna try it again. So guys, here we go, guys. Now watch carefully because I think there's some kids that are like little still cannot like to play video games. So this is like a little tutorial video on how to do it. Now, you guys probably know how to hook up an Xbox One, but I'm going to be showing the little guys on how to hook this up. Okay, so where could I put you guys? I'll put you guys right about there, guys. Alright, guys. So guys, here is what you guys I need, guys. You need an Xbox One to hook up your TV, because if you don't have an Xbox One, you can't hook it up. So guys, I'm gonna take it out of the box right now and kind of show you guys what we got inside. And guys, no, I did not just get this. Hey guys, I had this Xbox One for years. So, okay, so let me just tell you guys what comes with. So, the box comes with an Xbox One. Okay, comes with your camera, which is also a Connect. Your power box, kind of really good at this, guys, so just bear with me. Your Xbox One controller. Well, okay guys, Kai actually got two now. Kai actually bought this one literally yesterday. And can this camo one is mine. Can this black one gets like when somebody comes at my house, they can use that. Okay, yep, got that. You kids that can you guys have Xbox Live Gold. You guys could talk to your friends from out of here. Can actually used it before, so I probably don't need this because yeah. So I'm just gonna put this off at the side. Now guys, I only have 3 games for the Xbox One. I got Minecraft, got Trials Fusion, and oh jeez, I got Angry Birds Star Wars. So that's all I got, which I need some more. I need more games, but that's good for right now, guys. Here's the cord that plugs in your power box, which I'll show you guys right now. So guys, hey, here's your power box, and here's the cord. You plug it in. Okay, that's in, guys. So that's the power box. Plugged in, and it's all ready to go. Your HDMI cable. Now, one is to hook up your Xbox One, and then goes my Xbox One box. Great. Hey guys. Yeah, there's one HDMI cord that plugs in your Xbox One, and it hooks up a TV. So, let's show you guys how to do that. So it says can HDMI. So I'm gonna show you guys. Can I put it right now? Yep. So you put that in there. And then, okay guys, and this hooks up to your TV show. So guys, let me hook this up to my TV. Can I get back to you guys? Actually, no. Let me hook up all the cords first, and then we'll do that. Okay, this is the plug for the power cord. I will put that right there. Alright, so plugged in, ready to go. And guys, and also here these two little things here can actually mount right on the Xbox One. And just like that, guys. Oh, can I accidentally turn Xbox One off? Leave it off. Okay, this is a I don't know what it is, guys, but yeah, that I'm pretty sure that goes in there. Oh, that goes in there. I'm a liar. I'm a huge liar. Oh, guys. Can your controller, well guys, the black one actually comes with the Xbox One as you buy it, but this camo one I got from Walmart. So guys, your input. Oh. Guys. Alright, guys. And now guys, every single cord is hooked up, guys. So now let's go put it on the chest of drawers. So we got to make some room here. I'm just gonna put this all in here for now. Alright guys, still, if I put you guys right now right there, I don't know if you guys can see, but if you guys can't, I'm really sorry, guys. So guys, you take your Xbox One. Jesus, I keep turning the thing on. So are we putting up here? Alright guys, so we got that. We might have to move the cord over here, maybe. We might have to, oh god. We might have to, take my iPad charge out, in place with that. Alright guys, so I got that. Okay, every single cord is hooked up here. Alright guys, so it goes like that. Just turn it like that, okay? And guys, and here's your connect, which I don't even use, but I cook it up anyways. And your controllers, and okay guys, and that is it, guys. That is how you cook up a Xbox One. Wait, I gotta hook this up on my TV. Just hook this up here. Oh god, hey guys, this is the hard part right here, guys. This is really the hard part. Oh my god. Yeah, guys. It hates me, guys. It literally hates me. It hates me. Alright, guys. I think I got in. Alright, guys. We got in. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. So that is how you cook up an Xbox One. So I hope you guys can enjoy this video. If it did, drop a like, and also subscribe to JB's The Koopa Show. Yeah. John, if you're watching this video, this is a really good video. If you're having a hard time trying to cook your Xbox One up, well, Xbox One S, I should say. Kind of Xbox One. Hey, John, what do you have, an Xbox One or an Xbox One S? Put it in the comment box below. Alright, guys. You guys say, have a good night. We'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.